part 2 of organometallic catalyst. Today we are going to discuss Walker process. In Walker process, catalyst is PbCl4. After eliminating one chloride ion, in first step alkene gets added, and to this in second step nucleophilic attack of water. So lone pair of water attacks this alkene and it gets deprotonated. So the overall the product is CH2CH2OH is getting added to the catalyst, and after this in the third step what is happening, this beta hydride get eliminated. So this get eliminated and one Cl simultaneously get eliminated. So this is the product, hydrogen and alkene. Here in beta hydrogen got eliminated, and after this 1,2 migrations, the hydride again attacks the second position of this alkene group, and this is 1,2 migration, migratory insertion. Then here there is one vacancy, so again in that position Cl get added, and Cl attacks the OH hydrogen, and these bonds break simultaneously. These bonds break. So the product is acetaldehyde plus 2Cl, HCl and water. And we can so PD0 here we can regenerate the catalyst by reacting this with cupric chloride. Cupric chloride get converted to cuprous chloride and the catalyst get regenerated. And the cycle, we can repeat the cycle. So here we can see minus elimination of alkene, then nucleophilic attack of water, then beta hydride elimination, then 1,2 migratory insertion, then elimination of HCl, simultaneously formation of acetaldehyde. So we see alkene is getting converted to acetaldehyde in Walker process. Next, Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Here we polarize alkene. The catalyst is TiCl4 and aluminum triethyl. Here ethyl group, we can take ethyl, aluminum. So after combining these two, we see Ln Ti alkene. Because the titanium have vacant d orbital, it can still accept alkene, and after this there is 1,2 insertion, and there is vacancy created here, and the chain can continue like this, and at last step we can do beta hydride elimination, and the product is formed. Next, in catalytic deuteration, we convert the benzene hydrogen into deuterated hydrogen. Here the catalyst TaS3Cp2, first in first step reductive elimination of hydrogen is happening. Then in second step we add benzene oxidative addition, and in the third step again reductive elimination of hydrogen, and in the fourth step again oxidative addition of deuterium. In the fifth step reductive elimination of this one deuterated benzene. So this cycle we have to do 6 times for 6 position of deuteration of benzene. So here we see then reductive elimination of hydrogen, again oxidative addition of deuterium, and in the last step reductive elimination of deuterated benzene. So if here only one position deuteration of benzene, if we want to do 6 position of deuteration, we have to repeat this cycle 6 times. Last is cyclometallation. Here we see these two reagents add in a concerted way, cyclic way, and just the group get exchange. There is cyclic transition state, and here M combines with the opposite R group, and electron rich R group goes to the metal side. So overall in organometallic catalyst we one functional group get converted to other functional group, or there is exchange of group, or we can polymerize the alkene monomer of alkene into a polymer. So it is the benefit of catalyst. By using catalyst we can form the product very fast. Hope this is helpful for your preparation. Thanks.